In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Spotify desktop playlist on YouTube Music. Before we begin, it's important to know one key detail. You can't directly transfer a playlist from inside the Spotify desktop app itself. Spotify doesn't provide a built-in button that sends your playlist straight over to YouTube Music. Because of that, you'll need to use a playlist transfer tool, and in this video, we'll use Soundiz to get the job done. To start, open your web browser and go to Soundiz. Once the website loads, click on Get Started. From there, you'll either create an account or log in if you already have one. This is the platform that will connect both music services and handle the transfer for you, so make sure you complete the sign-in process before moving on. After you're inside Soundiz, the next step is to connect your Spotify account. Look for the platform section and click it. Then select Spotify from the list of available services. You'll be prompted to log into your Spotify account. After signing in, click Agree when Spotify asks for permission. This allows Soundiz to view your playlists so it can transfer them properly. If you have multiple playlists in Spotify, don't worry. You'll be able to choose the specific one you want later in the process. Once Spotify is connected, you'll need to connect YouTube Music as the destination. In Soundiz, click Connect Services and then choose YouTube Music. Sign in with your Google account when prompted and allow the requested permissions. This step is necessary so Soundiz can create the playlist in your YouTube Music library and add the matching songs there. With both services connected, you're ready to transfer the playlist. Go to the transfer section in Soundiz, select Spotify as the source service, then choose the playlist you want to move. After that, select YouTube Music as the destination. When everything looks correct, click Start Transfer. At that point, Soundiz will begin matching the songs from your Spotify playlist to YouTube Music. Depending on the size of the playlist, this may take a little time. Once it finishes, it's a good idea to open YouTube Music and quickly review the transferred playlist to make sure everything came across as expected, since some tracks may occasionally differ based on availability between platforms. That's it. Using Soundiz is the easiest way to move a Spotify desktop playlist to YouTube Music when direct transfer isn't available.